right, you welcome everyone to this live session. Right, we would have done all right, so the time is already fast spent, so we'll just continue with the questions and answer on airdrop that we have done recently and the testnet we are doing recently, right? So the first thing to start with is I will go first to your questions, right? So if you have a question about any airdrop, you are free to speak now. Just tap on your mic. I've unmuted everyone, right? So tap on your mic and speak. Let's hear your question. Let's start from that. So towards the
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Sir, cannot hear you. Your voice is very low.
Everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Yes, good evening.
Can you guys hear me?
okay, K, just go on. I can hear you now.
Okay, good evening, everyone. See, I have an issue with this three dot airdrop actually. So I've been trying it for over some weeks. I've been trying it for over some weeks now. It's not even working at all. I tried to even log out. Because of that three dot airdrop, I deleted my my Meta browser, and I installed it again to know if it's on my phone or something. And I did even complain in the discussion group, and nobody responds to my this thing. So I was waiting for a day like this so that I will be able to mention the issue out. That is it for now. Thank you, guys.
All right. So these are the possible scenario you need to look at. The first thing is that every week you need to click on your extension, not three dots now. When you click on that extension tab, you click on the extension and make sure that your what's it called now? Your browser is in developer mode. Then you click update. So make sure you update it always. Then make sure your Mrs. browser is always updated too. If not, it will lag. So that is two options. Then based on general airdrop issues, make sure your phone is also always updated. So with that, I think that should work. But then sometime you need to understand this. I usually say this before now, that these airdrops, if they have little updates, they will not tell the whole community. You understand? It's when they have major update that they will tell the whole community that we are going to have this kind of update. So when they are having that little update, if you are the type that log in that time, the site might misbehave. That is why you need to calm down, wait, give some hours, and you go back.
I can't hear you again now.
All right, K, I'm back. Do you get my answer? Can you hear me? K, can you hear me? Okay. I think if you can hear me, please tap on your mic and speak, please. Is there anyone that can hear me here?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you. So let's go to to another question since K is not active now. So if you're active here and you have a question about any of those airdrop you are doing, you are free to ask now. So is there anyone?
I have a question.
Okay, go on, please.
First of all, good evening to everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, my question is based on a CPN. I don't know how far because I didn't log in my wallet address in the first place. So now I'm actually mining ink now. So I don't know if I can still put in my wallet address, or there will be a time that they will give room for another chance so that you can put your wallet address again. I don't know. Did you hear my question? Yeah. Hello, sir.
I can hear you now. Please go on.
I'm asking concerning the CPN stuff. CPN, because last time I made a mistake. I didn't follow the instruction accordingly. So now I'm actually mining ink now. I don't know if there's still way, or there will still give chance so that I can put my wallet address.
All right. So the issue I have with CPN is that CPN. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. So CPN did list where, and I didn't know why you're bothering yourself about CPN. They didn't list where. In fact, I think I've deleted the app, right? So I don't know why you guys are mining season 2 when season 1 is not good. Who is giving you guys hope? Season 1 is not good. You are still wasting your time, and you will now leave airdrop that has potential. All those testnet and posting, some of you are not doing it. You are there mining CPN. I don't understand. Their season 1 that carry their name. That means you should do well based on we are expecting that should.
Hello, good
Is that
evening.
the reason why I asked the question, so that I know the way forward. If not, even me, I even planned to even delete the app from my phone. Just that I've just been hoping at least maybe something good will come out.
All right, I'm back again. So CPN should be their native token. They didn't list where. You are still farming ink, or what did they call it? So basically, I don't know why you miss the time that they are submitting wallets. We that submitted wallet self.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, everyone.
All right, the network is dealing with me. But Okang, do you get the answer to your question?
Yeah, I get.
So
Good evening.
good evening, please. Good.
My name is Paul. Good evening, everyone
What
in
do
the
you say?
house.
Good
I say my
evening. I
name is
can hear
Paul.
you. Go on.
I've been having problem with my. I don't know if it is my Mrs. browser or the extension. I don't know. I'm the one been complaining. I can't open my. Can't access my Xenia and other new airdrops, and even my Nauris do switch off when I turn it on. I would think that it is mining. When I leave, it will turn off. So the whole thing is just, I don't know what is causing that problem.
Yeah,
I've
on
not been
Nauris, it's not only
joining
you.
new projects since.
On Nauris, it's not only you, it's general, right?
Okay.
So I think if you are consistent from the time I posted it, you would have accumulated more points. If you have less than 100 key points, that means you are not serious on Nauris. So now I think they are trying to reduce the points based on their location, because on 20th they are doing public sales, right? Then they will start preparing for token generation event, right? So it's the general issue. Personally, if I on please, where did I stop? This thing, I think network is distracting me. But where did I stop? Fortune, can you tell me?
You are explaining where the issue with Nauris
Okay,
airdrop.
okay. So what I'm trying to say is that the issue I have with the whole community is that these days I've started posting a drop. Like I want to believe that you guys are actually depending on this. That is just my own belief, and that is why I'm posting many airdrops. I couldn't believe my ear when I don't know the person that raised that question. You are talking about CPEN. That is just out of it for me, right? So the idea is that make sure make sure so that you know that even if the confess serve, you will be among those people that can actually do something fast, right? So I think that is just what I can say about that. Do you get it, Mr. Fortune?
Yes, I've stopped mining that pen for ink for a very long time. But what I'm saying is that I don't know why I can't access new projects that they are posting. I've been consistent with everything, but I can't access anyone. When I put it, it tell me internet. There's no internet. I think I've been disturbing you over it, but if you
For
give
it
me
to write no
the
internet, hold on, please. For it to write no internet, I think have you updated your phone recently?
Yes, I updated the browser. I updated the browser. I've updated the extensions.
Your phone,
So
your phone, your phone. When do you update your phone?
I don't understand what you mean by updating my. I should change the phone to a bigger this thing.
I think that is
No.
where the issue is. Get it now. So you need to update your phone. Go to your phone setting, click on systems, and follow the instructions. You will see a place to update your phone. Even personally here, I update my phone every month. If your phone is lagging, all the browser will be misbehaving.
Okay.
Do you understand? Yeah, so
Okay.
you can try, but before you update your phone, because it's very risky. If you have less than 20% on your phone, make sure you have 50% and possibly charging it before you press update.
Okay.
Do you understand? Right. So I think that is about that. Do we have another question about airdrop?
No. Thank
Yeah,
you.
me, I have a
Okay, I
question.
can see. Okay, go on. Wait. You have asked one question before. Let's Billy go on now. We will come back to you. Do you understand? We will come back to you.
All right.
Okay. Uh, Thank you very much. Thank you for this opportunity. I really appreciate
Thank you.
it. So, great. So my question, I have two questions concerning two projects. One is a three dot and the new one you just brought out now, which is a fires. So, sir, on that three dot, like I don't, I can't like the dashboard, right? I can't really access the dashboard. But the only thing that I'm seeing just only my point account, or those daily tasks, like I can't really access them. I'm trying to like kind of work with that, but it's taking me to the extension, just the extension alone. So I don't know why. Although my point accounting, there is no problem concerning that. But to access it,
Okay, I can't hear you now. Okay, I think I can't hear you. Is it only me? Can anyone hear him?
and the rest of the tasks. I don't know if I'm the only one, or maybe if it's just from our own end. So I just want to be clarified, because anytime I'm trying to link my X or my other.
All right, I think I get your question now. Or can you hear me? Please confirm if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, Billy, I can't hear you again. I don't know why your mic is not speaking up, right? But to the place I got your question. Okay,
Did you
Billy,
get
just
my
hold on.
question,
Let me
sir?
answer
The
the one.
network.
Yeah, just calm down. Calm down. Let me answer the traders question. All right. So
Okay.
just know it now. Just know it and have it as an idea. Any airdrop, you understand that those DPM projects are just the project that when you're browsing, you earn through browsing, right? But then, and I want you guys to know something again. For better accumulation of points, I will advise that you turn Mrs. Browser to your default browser, like the way you do Chrome. Why did I do that on my phone? I did that because when you didn't click on Mrs. Browser for days, the airdrop, all this project will just stop automatically, right? So one of the things you can do to accumulate points is that you start. Who is this?
Yeah.
Please? David, please mute your mic, please. David, Arisa, David, right? Okay, let me mute you here since. All right, so okay, so what I'm actually trying to say in essence is that any of those projects we post, no project, all of them have their task, right? So all you just need to do is that after this live session, just send a screenshot of your dashboard, and I'm very sure you didn't read my. All right, I'm back. Billy, can you hear me? Unmute yourself if you can hear me
I
and
can hear
speak.
you. I can. I
Okay,
can. I can clearly.
do you watch my three doors tutorial on YouTube?
Yes, I actually did. I did that.
All right, I'm back again. Billy, you might need to go to YouTube and watch the tutorial again. I already did the tutorial
Okay,
on
sir.
it. All right.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
I'm seeing. All right. I'm seeing hands up. IK, please speak, please. Tap on your mic and speak. I've unmuted you. Okay. IK is not active. David, I've
Hello,
unmuted
good
you.
evening.
Tap on your mic.
Hello, good evening, our hosts, and good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
All right. So, thank you for this opportunity for giving me the mic. I so much appreciate it. So, my question will be on this airdrop, Pharaohs.
Hmm.
I don't know if you can hear me. Hello.
I can hear you now. Go on, please.
All right, Pharaohs. I think it's called Pharaohs. So I was the one actually typing to know if somebody has a wallet address so that the person can give me so that we can test their wallet.
Please go on. IK, my network is a bit bad here. So go on. I can hear you.
All right. I said I wanted to have somebody else's wallet address on Pharaohs so that we can try their wallet, their testnet wallet.
All right. So that's usually active on Telegram. Is it that you cannot discussion group on WhatsApp? The issue we had from the beginning is that I'm always based on WhatsApp earlier. It was recently, if you have been following up, it was recently we decided to have a community on Telegram. That is why we have two discussion group on Telegram and WhatsApp, right? But as based on Nigerian minds, most of us are on WhatsApp. So all you just need to do, join our discussion group on WhatsApp, and there will be people to reply you there, and I'll personally reply you there too. IK, do you get your question answered?
All right. Yes, I got my answer. But the thing is, I think it is locked. I can't type there.
On the discussion group on WhatsApp?
Yes.
There are two groups now.
Okay, there are two groups.
Yeah, there are
Because
two.
when. Okay. So I have to join the other one. Is that what it means?
Yeah, I understand. The what's it called? All right, I'm back again. And the day you complain that you
Yeah.
cannot type, I actually DM you my address. Check your DM. You complain that you cannot type. I DM you my address,
Okay. On Telegram
so you
here,
can
right?
just check now. All right, so let's go to the next question. Who is next? You have question for me? Tap on your mic and speak.
Good day, sir.
All right, good day, good evening.
Yeah, I greet everyone in the house. So,
You're welcome.
so my question goes like this. Now, I'm actually using a phone to do my testnet and airdrop. So, I'm finding some areas difficult in my basis browser because the testnet I'm doing, those extension Once I go to the
Okay.
Mrs. browser to connect all of them, and once I leave the app, now the thing will automatically stop on its own. Once I enter the app again, I will see that I will now begin to start afresh because all the extension that I connected before will not mine, except I'm in the app. That is when they will start to mine. So I don't know what is causing it, sir.
Okay, let me so you save your data, you put your phone on data saver. That means when you are on that test net, the data is working. Immediately you leave the data has left that place too, so it will stop automatically. Or didn't you know that it's using data? So that is another scenario you need to look it from. Check your phone settings. Most of you, the issue you have is that normal is actually good that Android restricts many apps. Understand, but when it comes to airdrop, most of those airdrops sites is against this Google, what's it called now, this Google rules or your phone rules. It might prevent it, trying to protect you, but at the end of the day, you are trying to make money from there, right? So one thing I'm looking at now is that I don't know the particular airdrop you're talking about. You need to mention it, then you look at the other area that I mentioned. I think that is where your issue is. So Baba Riches, you can go on and tell me the airdrop that is when you leave the place it will off. Which airdrop is that?
It's
Which
actually
extension exactly?
the extension I'm doing Dawn, I'm doing not paid, I'm doing Nourish, I'm doing. Let me just enter the app.
I'm asking you the particular one. Is it all of them that is behaving like that?
Yes, it's all of them that is behaving like this, like that. All my extension.
Even three doors. Even three doors.
Yes, sir.
Because there is two extension that even without your connection is working, which is that Solis airdrop and three doors. So that is where your issue is. Where your issue is very simple. Make sure you remove your phone from data saver, or you go to your network setting and reset it so that it can supply data, supply network to all your apps. Although that might consume more data. So that's just it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. All right. Thank you so much. So do we have another question? Do we have another question?
Yeah,
Okay, go on,
question.
please. Go on, please.
My question is, I don't know. I've been mining Ruby, and they said
Okay.
I've not done my KYC. So they said that before I will participate in KYC, that I must reach 30 Ruby. So and already I've arrived to that point, but up to now I'm still trying to do KYC. I've not been able to do it. I don't know what is the problem.
All right. So they are about to integrate 1.6 KYC. So you wait for that. Then secondly, go and update your information like your date of birth, your address and everything. That will prompt them to give you invitation. So they give people invitation. It's not that you just go and do it. Just like the way they do Pi that time, you understand? So and that project, the way I'm looking at it, they just celebrated 3 years. Me no go they carry 6 years like Pi, you understand? So just be consistent, and I think that is it. Is your
But
question answered?
yeah. But if the thing reach like 6 years, but I no pray for that kind of sha. But at least you reach like even 3 years, you go find sha, so that most of all we go accumulate them plenty.
You don't reach 3 years already. They just celebrated 3 years.
Okay.
It was launched on 2022.
Yeah.
All right, so I think that is about that. Do you have another question? Okay, Ari, promise. Okay, Ari, please go on with your question.
All right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Soli. Yeah. So please, my question is on zero wallet airdrop. I don't really understand how to navigate, around the airdrop. It's really, it's really difficult for me. The airdrop is always lagging. I don't even know how to go about it right now. So I don't know if there's any update about it. When is that
Yeah,
GNTG coming?
yeah, the project is really lagging. One of the reasons why I'm not even consistent with it personally. Sometimes you go to the quiz session, you click, it's not clicking. Sometimes you want to check in. So one thing I noticed based on my web design knowledge, I think what they are doing is that they are doing constant. They actually has a testnet phase. Do you understand now? They are at a testnet phase. So it's expected. And I already told you guys that testnet means testing. We are just helping them to test the website, test the app, whether it can accommodate more people or not, right? So it's normal as it is lagging, right? It's just for you to be consistent, try again, check later, try again, right? So another thing is that I did a tutorial on it. And one of the things is that I'm just surprised seeing some of you saying I have not accumulated points too. As at this time, if you don't have at least 4K points, because the first airdrop that I posted, when they launch it, I posted it 3 days after they launch it, and they are actually doing a promotion of first 50K people, and the distribution was 4,008. Is it 4,008 or 4,000 points, right? So if you didn't get that, that means you are not actually serious because you faded, right? Although maybe you join recently, I understand that, but then if you're in the community and you are still complaining of not having much points, it means you fade that and you didn't watch my tutorial, right? So the reason why you cannot navigate, if you cannot navigate the dashboard, is because you didn't watch my tutorial, right? So you can visit same name on WhatsApp, same name on Telegram, same name on YouTube, same name on Facebook, same name on S, right? So you just search the name and you can go through and watch and also help yourself, right? So it's actually free on YouTube. You can just go and watch, right? Does that answer your question? Then they are doing a snapshot on 22. That is today is 18 or 19 now. So what you just need to do is make sure you choose your exchange, and I've told you guys that you should choose Mex Exchange. That is the one I choose. I'm not choosing Bitmart, although they promise that they are going to add more exchange in the future, which I'm not really sure, right? But then right now, Mex Exchange is there. Bitmart is there with one exchange where I don't even know the name. I never heard that name before, right? So the idea is that you fill your S name, Discord name, and Telegram usernames, right? So when you fill that, if you have followed them and they verified you, you get 15 points. I've done that since 3 days ago. So I already posted in the community that you guys should go and do that. So just do it and let's follow up, right? And make sure you're active on all the updates I've been posting, and I'm going to be posting more. I don't want any listing to pass without us cashing out from it, right? So you just have to stay consistent, right? So does that answer your question, please, Ari?
Oh yes, thank you very much. I'm going to check the video guide out.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay, so do we
Hello.
still have another question?
Yes.
Can you don't ask 3 questions? Now, so you do for year. All right, go on.
Yeah. My question is about the wallet. I
About
try
what? I
searching
can't
for
hear you
their.
clearly.
Can you hear me
About
now?
what? You say about what?
Ready wallet.
Chima, wait, I will give you access. What do you say?
Me.
Oh, I'm listening. Who is speaking? Is it Fortune or Kang? Who is speaking now?
It's Fortune.
Okay, go on,
It's
go on.
Fortune. So I'm worried about this Ready wallet, Telegram project like that. I don't know.
So wait. I don't understand. Let's come to wait. So you see me not posting about it. I think since last year. I stopped posting about it since last year. So you mean you are still consistent on it? And
Yes, I'm still
did
mining.
I even tell you guys to stop mining it? Because I noticed something, a red flag. They stopped posting since last year on their S, which means it means like the project has collapsed. Or do you see them post? Fortune,
That's
maybe
what
you get the update more than me.
I went to their socials and all their posts are very, very old. So I went to their X today and we are having old posts. So that's what I'm asking.
My brother, you get time.
Honestly, we are so blessed in this era that we have more than see. If I post everything what I see every day, honestly, una go tire. I'm telling you, I'm seeing more than 100 updates every day. I just have to choose the one to post. So if I say let me posting the way I'm seeing it, una go tire. So why wasting time on one project when you get? You understand? So just be consistent with the one we are posting, and we just make sure I post more so that any listing that is passing, we will cash out from it, right? So you guys should just stay consistent. And let me allow Chima to speak. We are already running out of time now. Chima, please go on. I've unmuted you. Just tap on your mic and speak, please.
Hey, sir.
Chima. All right. Good evening.
Sir?
I can hear you. Good
Okay,
evening.
sir. I want to really talk about, will I say, what's the name of this website? Chain. Are you sure because I heard something about Chain that they are doing 90% vesting. I saw it somewhere, but I'm not really sure if that information is legit. So, sir, I mean that 90% cannot even favor us. But do you think that Chain can do like that or something? You're getting me, sir?
Personally, I did not see them post that, and all this Airdrop where just they drop task, they go. You see, one of the thing about me is that apart from the fact that I farm Airdrop, I'm a trader too. So all this Airdrop where just they go, no head. They are not tell us this. Do you know since the time we have been actually been waiting for the listing since February? We go to March, they say May. Now they are not even talking about listing again. Look how this project that are just dropping tasks, they go like that. Me personally, I'm not how can I call it now? I'm not bullish on all this Chain. Where was the second one again? Where does it drop? All this Zinier, where does it drop tasks they go? Honestly, I have to tell you guys the truth. That is why you see me trying to pass through another way. All this airdrop where does it drop task, all this social task. I didn't believe they are going to, and you are listening to something that is happening to Plum now. So it's just something we need to be smart so that we can also look at another way. I'm trying to get layer 1 airdrop now, layer 1 testnet airdrop. All these pharaohs, all these what's the name? What's the other one? They are all layer 1, and they are the one that can give us a good amount of money. So let's work on that. I not even hear the updates you are talking about. Maybe I will verify later. And if you can get me the screenshot, you send it to my DM on WhatsApp, right? So that I can verify. So is your question answered now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. So Okan, go on with your question now.
My question is based on a unit. I don't know if any of us is doing that airdrop.
Okay, yeah, we are doing it. And Unish is one of the other that I still have some kind of hope for because we are actually seeing they are working. You know, when you see airdrop that is working, look at this Ari chain. You know what I noticed about that? Did any of you remember the time that I lost my account of 11K Ari chain? You know, I messaged their admin on Discord. So he did not reply me at the first place, right? So I just go to their, what's it called now? I go to their group chat and I posted that see the I log in, like I made a complaint and the admin when they reply message before can't reply me, can't they tell me say why am I saying bad thing about their project? You understand? So they are also working based on hype. You understand? They are working based on hype. And you see all this partnership where they get every day. Now ad that they run. You know the meaning of ad? That they run ad for all those projects. It's not that they have one kind of partnership we won't go somewhere. They run ad. Everybody just they gather followers. You understand? That's just what they are doing. Then on Unish, they're actually building something. It's an OTC trading platform, which means that before listing, you can actually trade a token before they are listing. All right, so that's just what they are working on, and I believe this month or next we should be hearing some updates about them. So keep consistent with Unish. I think Unish will cook. All right, so does that answer your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. So do we have another question again? Okay, I think we are all good. All right, so let me drop a final note, right? So
Sorry, sir.
one
Sir,
of
I
the
have
things
a question.
okay, go on.
Sir, what of layer H? I don't even know what those guys are doing now. Sir, do you really think that layer H is going to
I've told you before that a project that sold about $200K on NFT about 3 months ago. Even me, when we trade, if you give me that $200K, I don't know what I go use and turn to in 1 week or 2 weeks. You self the reason this thing now. They sold the NFT worth $200K, collect $1 here, $2 here, $3 here. I've told you guys, me, it's not that like based on this, I know they buy NFT, all this NFT of all these projects. They will just want you go use their money, pump one kind token for pop.fun first. But you guys don't worry. If you can just be consistent in this community, we are getting there, right? We are getting there. Who is this person tagging me in the group? All right, somebody tagged me in the group. I'm just trying to check the person. Okay, I've seen the person now. All right, so we just need to be strategic about this airdrop stuff, right? We just need to be very, very strategic, very, very strategic. That's just all I just have to say. I'm not farming layer edge. Now we not farm it. Now where the farm, I'm gonna cash out $200K. All right, so on the final note, I want to advise everyone here in case any of this airdrop cook, don't depend on it, except if you don't want to go for in crypto. Airdrop is just I've already told you, it just collect 10%. You understand? The main thing where you go figure money na trading now when you become a developer or you become a trader. So, like I always tell you guys, knowledge is the new currency. If any of them cook, no use all of them chop. Pay for knowledge. If not, you pay times 2 for ignorance. Alright, so that's just my advice for the general community. Alright. Then another thing is that I'm just waiting for one airdrop that will cook. Then I will now know people that are serious. In fact, maybe I will just add them to one kind of group like that. So we'll just continue like that. The reason I'm saying this is that most of you is not even only this group, like most Nigerians, and when it comes to consistency, we lack it, right? You want something fast. But then when it comes to something to keep building, to keep consistent, keep showing up, And the issue the place I actually have an issue is that the same person that is not consistent with all this kind of stuff that can earn you in dollars, the same you, if you are working in one place where they pay you 40,000 or 30,000 self, the same you will wake up early in the morning, the same you will obey that 6 o'clock rule, or is it 7 o'clock rule that is I remember the last place I work is 7:01. You go pay lateness fee. Do you see that now? And the amount where they pay me, how much they pay me says 40K that time. You understand? So what am I trying to say? If you are serious, honestly, with all honesty, if you are serious in this place, you will earn times 3, times 4 of your salary if you are consistent. Or the way I want to start posting, the way I started posting since last week, right? So just be consistent. Make sure you join our project. Make sure I don't sleep at night. Crypto no dey sleep. Now me work on the sleep, right? So I don't sleep at night. I sleep during the day, right? So in the night you can still wake up sometime, check your phone, because first come first serve fit dey. You understand? So I don't want to take calls more than 10 p.m. right? So I want to say a very big thank you for you guys that show up here. Let me take the screenshots again. Like I say, there's reward for everything. One day e go shock you. Say na people wey dey here, na them I know. You understand? So that is just about that. Stay consistent, stay active, and there's always reward for that, right? What is going on? I can't join the live. Somebody's complaining can't join the live. I don't know. I think we are through already. All right, so on the absence of no question, and please guys, this is my last plea, right? Please, if you are here and you are trading on Bybit and you have not transferred your identity or register with my link, please go and do that. When you do that, okay, this is just what it means. When you're trading on Bybit now, where you no register under anybody, your rebate, your commission is not going to anybody, right? Maybe it's going to Bybit itself. But if you register under me, when you trade, when you do anything on Bybit, I will receive commission. And we can also use that to do giveaway here like this. So do you see that we can actually sponsor our giveaway by ourselves? Do you see that now? So guys, please, if you don't know how to do it, what do you say?
I don't understand that one, because before I was told to download that app. I downloaded the app. That I did everything, because I was trying to do all the verification that they asked for. They asked for my identity number, all this identification card. I went and did. I went and did it all. I was even trying off and off, but the thing was not working. So finally, to one certain time, I now did it all. The thing now went on, and this thing was verified. So up to now, so I don't know which one you're saying that we should use. I don't know if you.
Are you talking about Bybit?
Yes, Bybit.
This is it. If you have registered and verified on Bybit, no problem. There's a place you can do identity transfer. So I already did a tutorial on that on YouTube. If you just want to do it, just DM me or ask in the discussion group. In the discussion group, I'll just send you the link. Right? It's very, very simple for you to do after watching the tutorial. Right? So what I'm trying to say is that there is always a rebate, and as a community, please don't join any airdrop without referral code. I think it's actually one airdrop that taught everybody lesson that time, that if you don't join with a referral code, they believe you are a bot. You understand? So it's actually very, very important in this Web3 where we deal like this, right? So I think that is where we are going to end it today, right? So stay active in the community, and next week by this same time we will come live again and discuss. But if there is a quick one or maybe space on S, I will announce it, right? So stay active, and thank you guys for joining in. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Nice.